ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kinoyalam jaga Abvp klathet bagajing keno usamna Esther San Sotun ubade Vice President ke Nehusu bola sho hakidekhat jaga Abvp kede tangga khubor ben thobria yakaseng. Habekran bekla pathai khubor de knyar por bu Vice President ke Nehusu ula sho kabjah Nehu hakapor bak Abvp kidang lekmen holi uteng kumara ubade State Secretary jaga Abvp ula ong begini ki bre ki bon man thaujing klomar Nehu kide ki blapen kre lupa namar bekla ra ro ye ki Tiar Pynmynsaw. Shu loong bede unong ilam ke Nehusu hi ubla pentip shaki security bakin wan shakate ke jaka baki lek kemen holi bat halor ki kerteng bala ujor ha ke ijahar kini kinong ilam ke Abvp kla kentat bakim shim ladon kti satya ha ke jengesho.
We have seen that in his press conference it was completely forced and packed. So he gave a statement that the incident had happened in the new campus during the holy celebration. Actually, I was also there from the beginning till the end. So the statement given by the Vice President of Nehusu against the Abvp is completely forced, and it is 100% completely forced because we were celebrating very well and peacefully. We all were enjoying in the celebration of Holi, but in the middle of the celebration, they came to the sport and they attacked somebody else, means the one guy. So we don't know what is going on. But after a few minutes, we saw that there is a conflict going on and there is a fighting going on. So we ran up to them and we tried to save that guy. But in his statement, he said that so a BBP member beaten him up and attacked him. But it was completely forced, and he'll have to prove who actually beaten him up. Otherwise, we'll file a defamation case regarding this because he blamed our organization. He take our organization without knowing the fact. And my question is to him because he said that a BBP member attacked him. Who actually attacked him? He'll have to bring to us. He'll have to give the name of the person who exactly attacked him. And we received the information that he made an allegation against the Abvp organization. So he said that we attacked them first. But we were in the sport and we know each and everything. I was in the program from the beginning till the end. So the security was also told us that they called to them and they the vice president of Nehusu called them to come to the sport because he said that there is something going to happen during the celebration of Holi. It means they have a pre-planned. They have made a common intention among them to attack, during the celebration of Holi festival. So the statement given by him is completely wrong and is 100% false. And he said that he was in hospital. We don't even touch his body. Nobody touched his body. How can he say that he was hospitalized now? He got injured. We don't believe that. And he'll have to prove. And I want to say, if he knows that it was attacked by the Abvp member, why he did not file an FIR against a particular person? Because the court will bring the justice. Court will reveal the truth. So, I want to say, it is a completely forced and wrong, and they are playing a politics against the Abvp organization because they are trying to bring the bad names to our organization. And they'll have to prove who actually attacked him. Otherwise, for blaming our organization, we'll file a defamation case against them. Kamlesh was not fighting against him. Okay, so we were in the midst of the confliction, and we were trying to save the guy. Okay, one guy was getting beaten him up, and we were trying to save him during the conflicts. It was wrong.
So if you said that you tried to save him, then how he will allege that he is the main person then? If he's not part of the incident,
Who?
that Gamble.
Kamlesh? No.
Because
He was also trying to control the situation. He didn't attack anyone. He didn't start any quarrel. He didn't start any conflicts during the celebration of Holi. I was invited by my friends. So because and in his statement also he said that he was attacked by Hindu people or Hindu organization. I'm also a Christian. Okay, so I was also a part of that program because my friends invited me. So from the beginning till the end, I was also there. Okay, so I was just talking to my friends, but suddenly we saw the fighting, and we ran to that spot and we tried to control the situation and we tried to save that guy who was getting attacked. Because I have already mentioned that in my statement, because they had made a pre-plan to attack during the celebration. Because security was also told us that they called them before starting the program. They have called to the security to come to the spot and told them that there is something going to happen during the celebration. That means they have made a pre-plan. We can understand that.
Actually, he thought that Kamlesh Singh is also from the outsider, but he is studying in IGNO, but IGNO is inside the Nehu. Okay, so I think even Chatsukra, Bedenklam, or like a Christmas celebration also, everyone can come. Even from SAI, from SOT, from any department, they can come together and celebrate the program. So he thought that Kamlesh Ji is from outside, he is not studying. So that's why we don't know, we didn't see that who is attacked first, okay, for that, because we are busy in the celebration of the Holi program. So that's why after that, because we are celebrating in that program, okay. So if someone is fighting there, so we have to control them. So that's why he also controlled them, but he didn't touch him. He didn't fight with him. So we don't know actually. He already told before that. Even security also tell us that before they get a call from the Nehusu only. So they came, but there will be something will happen there. So it means they have some plan. We didn't call the security, but the place we have that program. Even they have another place, but why they came to our place to do that means the bad thing.
And also they bought some materials like stones, hammer to attack us. Everyone shows that. They are trying to attack with the hammer. Everyone shows that. Everyone can witness that. Even security also. And he was saying that he got injured. At the time of coming back, he riding bike, I saw him with my own eyes. He cannot say that he got injured and he was hospitalized. And he was showing that his torn t-shirt, right? So it was not correct, we can say. That time to okay everything.
So can you tell us how many of them came to attack?
Actually I saw 3-4 guys who are fighting.
So they were carrying materials with him.
Like that which we make a baldi.
Mhm.
So he even try to beat that one person. So that time we have to save, because in our program they came to do this thing. So we have to save. So that's why we saved them.
Now how can he say that we attack them first? What logic they are using? If they bought material like this, nobody can believe that. Okay.
Actually, namar ki ula ai kerteng mo uang bala dep nula IFIR. Okay, nila man proof namar ba ki tabakti yu une ki trakti yu une kim dat na yu kim ayu long ki shot na yu tingila ban le ya kata long kila ban wan cha police station ro dat yong kata. bon nangiro ngiyo iba ki safe ki khna omde rabek utra kitra ki sho ya ki ya u ba sho yu ngam yo ira mo actually namar ki bon hangto ki shinrang suda tingi ngi safe ki khna ki to ba le holi hangto ki ba ya le kai holi hangto ya bon ki khna na ni hu hi omde na outside na ni hu hi te ki don ro ki ba ya ngot maybe na outside ro ki ba wan mo tang ba ngam ngayo i ba ki fighting hangto ki ya sho ki ya yu hi le runal hi kum to ma baro ya bon hi hang to te ngi safe ki khna pat ngam de yo i pat u mano ba sho yu tang ba hakapor ba ngayo i pat ba main hakata kapor ma ba ki sho yu ta wai khna ngam yo i rabadan ba sho yu khna jong kani hu hi nama u ki wei na igno armut ki khna main ni hu hi